Prototype testing is kind of a service that we do for small businesses and individuals who come up with various projectile designs, and they want us to film it with a high-speed camera. These designs come from all over the world: Russia, Australia, and some from the United States even. Now, tests like these are normally never seen by the public, but we thought it'd be fun to bring you along. Today's slugs come all the way from Australia by a man named Denver Eady. Normally, lead round balls, or pumpkin balls as they're often called, are 68 or 69 caliber. These are just under 73 caliber. While these are heavier than a normal pumpkin ball, being full bore, we'll see if that affects the accuracy much.
All right, crew.
Good day.
Good day, mates. We got something here to try out. These are from Denver in Australia. You guys remember him. He sent us quite a few things to shoot there. These are full bore round balls, 73 caliber. We're going to try them down range. We're going to run them through a smooth bore and a fully rifled barrel through the Mossberg. And we'll see what Denver's big balls will do down range.
They like big balls down there.
Ooh, yeah.
They have the biggest balls of all.
Way down under.
Okay, full rifle first, then we'll go the smooth bore. See, we just want to see, we're about 10 yards away, or exactly 10 yards away. See if we get a chronograph reading, see how accurate they are, see where the point of impact is. You know the routine. So anytime you're ready.
All right, don't watch. You didn't see that.
Okay.
All right. There we go.
Oh. Uh-oh.
Using full rifling, it gives it spin. It looks like Denver's full bore pumpkin ball, or thunderball as I kind of coined them, was pretty darn accurate. And that big old heavy ball did a number to that gel block. Now, a lot of viewers who are not really familiar with our videos will say, "You're only shooting at 10 yards, how can you possibly miss?" Well, we have shot slugs, factory slugs even, that would miss a target at 10 yards. So even at 10 yards, it gives us a really good idea how the slugs will fly at further distances.
So now we'll try it without spin through a smooth bore. And we'll try to get a chronograph reading. Okay, I am ready. 1253.
Even without spin, the slug seems to be pretty stable in flight, and there was almost no difference in the accuracy. Now in this camera angle, we can actually see the slug exiting the gel, and it is flattened out. That gel's really tenacious and will deform slugs quite a bit.
You got the best looking gel, I tell you.
Wait a minute. There's our first one. Rifle barrel.
You're enjoying that way too much.
Second, Greg's not here.
Oh, okay.
I can enjoy myself. He's not here.
Yeah, he's teaching a 4-H class today.
Second shot, smooth bore. So, using no rest, just elbow rest, is pretty consistent through both.
Yeah.
But that first one was kind of flying wonky.
This one looked like it was flying a little bit weird too. We'll see how it does at longer ranges and stuff when we pan the high-speed camera out a little bit.
Yeah, it looks like two eyes and a nose.
Man, just blew the gel out.
I got a million of them.
We're going with the rifled barrel at the lead plate. We got it at an angle so it's safe. You don't want to shoot at anything directly at 90 degrees to the target.
And we're still at 10 yards.
10 yards, okay.
All right.
I'm ready.
I finally got the Chronos high-speed camera adjusted to really good quality this time. The first two camera shots were kind of disappointing. Now again, through a rifle barrel, we had good accuracy. He was actually aiming at the point of that arrow, and he pretty much hit it. And it's really interesting how that big old slug hit the lead plate, didn't bounce back, it just came to a dead stop and then just fell right onto the top of the table.
All right, Danny was aiming at the arrow, so it hit right here, very close. There's the slug. It just.
Well, it said
let's put a
here, so I shot there.
Let's put a sticker on there so people know where you're aiming at. There you go.
Wow, the arrow kind of disappeared, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty much from my
That's some.
Oh, that's crazy. Feels like it's all there too. It's heavy. It's heavy.
Yeah, it just didn't bounce back or nothing. Imagine that.
Yeah, that's interesting.
That's what lead does. Back to the smooth bore.
Smooth bore bead sights, 10 yards.
Yeah, this doesn't have a fancy optics on it, so I think Danny is better without optics. To be honest with you, be honest. Okay, anytime you're ready.
I'm blind in one eye and deaf in the others. All right, here we go.
Look accurate.
Now, really the biggest difference we see between the smooth bore and the rifle barrel shot is just how the wads and all the other loading components kind of separate from the slug. And that's another benefit of shooting up really close. We can really zoom in with the high-speed camera and catch details like that really well.
Okay, I think you landed right on the sticker, so that's looking really good.
That would be this one.
Yes.
And this is what bounced back about 4 feet.
Yeah.
Here's from the first shot, here's from second shot. So
you could shoot those again if you.
Very similar, very consistent.
Look how big those are. They grew like 3 times in diameter. Well, let's see how they do it. Let's see how the grouping is at 50 yards.
All right, we got a target set up out there. 50 from the muzzle.
Okay, now we're going to do a 50-yard grouping test. First with the rifled barrel, just shoot three of them, and then we'll switch to the smooth bore and see how we group at 50 yards. Can you tell where it hit? Just use the same point of aim, I guess.
I can't tell for sure.
I can't tell either. I know you hit it.
Sure. Yep. All right. Ready for round 2?
I'm ready.
Huh.
Keep on going.
Looks like
it's not so much where it's hitting, but where they hit
looks like
as a group.
Low right. Maybe. It's hard to tell from here.
Yeah. Okay, last shot through the rifle barrel.
Last shot, same point of aim.
Okay.
All right, let's see how consistent they are.
Okay. Da-da-da!
I'll tell you what, guys. I'm a little disappointed. I only got one in the pink.
Oh.
That's all it takes is one in the pink. Just a tip. Look at that.
You got your tape measure with you?
50 yards, yes I do.
Okay.
50
You might
yards.
have to use fathoms or something, whatever they use in Australia.
That's 2 Nickelodeons there. 1.5, 2 inches or widest spread.
That's that's pretty darn good, man.
1.25 inches here. Yeah, from back there we couldn't see it. Couldn't see what I was doing.
Even those giant holes, our old tired eyes, man.
50 yards, rifled barrel, and this is my point of aim.
Okay, now let's see how Danny does with a smoothbore with just a bead sight. It may not be as accurate, or it may be more accurate. I don't know. Okay, a 3-shot group at the pink dot. The pink dot kind of is too bright. I couldn't see the holes because of that pink dot.
Yeah, it just kind of blinded you.
Yeah.
Couldn't see the detail that close.
Yeah. Okay, I'm ready when you are.
Alrighty. Looks like it hit high.
That's what I'm thinking. 12 o'clock, 12:30, 1 o'clock. Just same point of aim.
I think it hit next to that first one. Round 3, here we go.
Now, unfortunately, the first shot missed. It just went just to the left edge of the cardboard. The second shot at least hit the cardboard. It hit just the left edge of it. And I'll put a little X there to spot it. And then the third shot's a little more noticeable.
Okay, not as good with that, but again.
There's that 7 cups of coffee this morning.
Open bead sights that is bigger than the dot there when you're looking at it.
I'm kind of guesstimating and then try to find center.
Excuses, but anyone who's shot a shotgun knows exactly what we're talking about.
It's Saturday. What do you want?
Oh, okay.
Anyway,
okay.
I know we heard 3 rounds hit.
Yeah.
But we can only find 2. I got one here. I believe that was my first one. And then one over here.
Okay. Hopefully I can, on one of the cameras, I'll be able to see where the third one went.
That was a twofer. I got.
Yeah, you went through the same hole twice?
Yeah, right. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it.
Well, we'll see if the camera lies.
Huh.
Okay, how far are we now?
What is that, about 20 yards?
Probably. Let's see if we can redeem the smoothbore.
Yeah, wasn't happy with that. But
it is what it is, you know? Okay, I'm ready when you are.
Well, it didn't move.
Yeah, must have been a direct hit.
Well, there you have it. Denver Edie's 73 caliber Thunderball, or whatever he wants to call them. In our test, we definitely saw, better long-range performance and accuracy through a rifle barrel. Up close, we didn't see much difference at all. Now, we can argue that the rifled shotgun has, at least a red dot, and the smoothbore, you're just using a big old bead sight, no rear sight, really. And, everything is really subjective. Now, as far as the accuracy of a rifle barrel versus a, like a smooth bore or a cylinder bore, well, remember that the rifled barrel is a lot stiffer. It is a thicker barrel, and you have less funky barrel harmonics to deal with. Now, it's just my opinion, but I think Danny could have done a lot better with the smooth bore had it had the same type of optics that the rifled shotgun had. And we want to thank our Patreon supporters for allowing us to continue making videos. Now, you've probably heard other channels kind of complaining about the monetization and everything, and they're not saying that just to try to make, get sympathy from you or nothing. We're getting hit hard. And if you don't want to support us, consider those other channels that you really like to watch and you don't want to see go away. Thanks for watching, and I'm looking forward to reading your comments.